press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Anyway, I'm pretty sure about the fact, you're very excited because, you've got a couple of interesting projects coming up. One is coming just, I think, on 9th itself, Hostages 2. So first of all, before we talk about anything else, let's just get started in the conversation with respect to how your character has shaped in Hostages 2.
So in Hostage, like if you all have seen season 1,
Yeah.
Haima is like, she's nothing like me, first of all. And she is this poker-faced, very strong, very like लड़ाकू type of a girl. किसी को भी मार देगी, किसी को भी पीट देगी, वैसी लड़की है और बहुत ही headstrong है.
Yeah.
But she's very poker-faced. Like कोई भी emotion उसके face तक नहीं पहुंचता.
Yeah. उसके पहले ही रुक जाता है.
Yes, you can say that.
Yeah. And, as far as Hostages 2 is concerned, I think in the press conference, jo kuch tha, I think I saw a video where Ronit Roy sir had said something like, because Hostages ended, the first season ended in a way which left a lot of unanswered questions, in the minds of the audience. So he was very, kind of consistent when it comes to pointing out, bhai, ye jo season 2 hai, it's going to answer a lot of, those unanswered questions. So what do you have to say on that?
It will actually. बहुत सारी गुत्थियां सुलझ जाएंगी. तो उसके लिए I think it's made pretty well. Now let's see what the audience reaction is.
Absolutely. And talking about web series and web projects, there's this big, it's a brand in itself when it comes to web shows or web series. It's called Mirzapur. You see memes se leke sab kuch. It's a brand in the OTT space in itself. I mean, uske baad se it kind of started to become big, at least in India. You're coming up with Mirzapur 2 as well, so that's another interesting lineup that you're having, and I'm pretty sure you're very happy about that. So tell me one thing: when you have interesting projects lined up in a relatively short space of time, how do you actually look forward to like, because obviously you will be doing media interactions and all, and then the characters are different. So how do you actually plan to separate your characters or the character sketch of your characters with each and every project that you pick for yourself?
So the thing is that when you start, like, because I give all the credits to my theater training, I guess.
Yeah.
It tells you to do your backstory.
Yeah.
It like every character is very different, and you have a certain set of backstory with it.
Yeah.
So if you actually just follow that, then there is, because Haima is starkly different from Zarina.
Yeah.
Like starkly.
Yeah.
There's no similarity. So it becomes very interesting actually, and as an actor, it's a bit challenging. And I love challenges because normal और banal जो मैं हूँ वो तो मैं कर ही सकती हूँ, लेकिन जो मैं नहीं हूँ वो करने में बहुत मजा आता है.
Absolutely. And as far as challenges are concerned, this entire lockdown period, starting se leke abhi tak, it's been a big challenge, been a long challenge for everyone. Different sort of challenges for different people, but everyone has had their own share of hardship and problems. So obviously abhi dheere dheere things are opening up, but the condition is still not better. So do you personally feel it is safe right now for actors to go out there and shoot? I mean, given a chance, you've got a big project, and you are asked, you got to come and shoot now. Will you personally feel very safe or satisfied about doing that?
Honestly speaking, I think the first wave of this pandemic has gone. But also that doesn't mean like you have to take care of yourself. There has like the changes are that there is a new normal now.
Absolutely.
Now you have to carry mask, you have to carry your hand sanitizer. The proximities shouldn't be kept in mind about. And but then if it has to happen to you, it will happen to you, yeah, sadly.
I think that's the most out answer that I have got probably, in the last few interactions that I don't remember how many, but I think that's the most chilled out answer. Obviously you got to take your precautions, but then at the end of the day, अगर किसी को होना है तो वो तो होगा ही. ज़्यादा सोच के कोई फायदा तो है नहीं. You can only do whatever is.
फायदा नहीं है.
I mean, you cannot really control beyond that.
the only thing that you can do is you can take care of your body, you can take care of your immunity. ऐसी चीजें पियो खाओ जिससे आपकी इम्यूनिटी बूस्ट हो.
Yeah.
तो यही सिंपल चीजें कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद अगर नसीब खराब है तो बोलते हैं
Yeah.
कि पेट पे बैठे इंसान को भी कुत्ता काट लेता है.
Absolutely. That's exactly the case with COVID as well. This time COVID kaat lega. But I hope that happens as less as possible with people. Talking about the entire lockdown phase. Obviously, let's not get into the professional debacles or what people have faced, but mentally as well, it has been extremely challenging. Now I know that you kind of speak very well when it comes to topics on depression, when it comes to topics on mental health. Obviously, I mean, mental health is something that has always been an issue, but I think it has come to highlight a lot more because of the lockdown and what the situation is.
Yeah.
Would definitely love it if you kind of, like say a few lines regarding how people actually, because I think it's not yet over. We might feel that, things are getting better, but it's still not over. So how do you actually, would you actually like to tell, your fans or your admirers or people, whoever is watching us over here, so that even if it is over, you can still be motivated and positive. What is your mantra and how do you do that?
So I have spoken about this earlier also. I think mental fitness is as important as physical fitness.
Yeah,
It's as important, if not more.
yeah,
This controls your body.
correct.
Like if this is okay and if this is unwell, then your body will not be well at all.
Yeah,
So rather than going the way around and catching your nose like this, the first thing you should do, you should take care of your mental health. How? You should first of all acknowledge yourself, acknowledge your feelings. Mostly what we do since childhood, I think India and our culture, they teach us that don't be selfish, especially middle class family. We are taught that don't be selfish, don't think about yourself too much, you're going to be self absorbed. That is all wrong.
yeah,
First of all, you should think about yourself. Selfish is different. You don't have to be self obsessed.
yeah,
But what you can do is, if you're feeling low, acknowledge that you're feeling low
yeah,
and ask yourself questions. Have a chat with yourself that why are you feeling low. उसी में answers हैं कि कैसे आप उससे बाहर निकल सकते हो.
yeah,
But then until and unless you have a honest chat, you don't have to tell anybody. Just have a chat. Like, I think this whole pandemic situation and this whole COVID has actually like pushed us to look at ourselves.
Yeah.
Now, still, if we are not going to concentrate on that and we are going to concentrate on 10 other things, and then I keep telling people it's what you're seeking.
Yeah.
If you seek dirt, you're going to get dirt.
Yeah.
If you seek cleanliness, if you seek brightness, you're going to get that. It's what you're attracting and seeking.
Yeah.
There are an ample amounts of videos on YouTube about self-improvement, about motivation. Like every day, I hear 1 hour of motivation.
Yeah.
Every day. Because लोगों की इतनी like news channels and people and things are happening, they demotivate you.
Yeah.
Like the reality sometimes demotivate you. So you have to pick yourself up. So listen to, keep feeding your brain positive stuff.
Yeah.
And then I think mental health is not such a big thing. Everybody can take care of it if they are just aware and conscious. So yeah, I say be aware and this phone habit, I see people are always on their phone. That is one thing that I don't do.
Yeah.
Like once I wake for the next 2 hours, my phone is not in my hand.
Okay.
Like फिर मैं देखूंगी खुद के लिए समय निकाल.
Yeah. I think it's
Yeah.
very well summed up, and you spoke about awareness. I think that's the end of the day, and self-love. There's a difference between being
Yes.
self-obsessed and self-love. If you cannot love yourself, you cannot love others. So I think that's a very valid point over there. I totally agree. And last question before I wrap up is the fact that obviously since the time we have grown up, and obviously life is all about ups and downs, challenges, highs and lows. But as far as challenge and mentally intriguing and mentally kind of gruesome stuff is concerned, is this COVID-19 phase or the lockdown phase where you have been absolutely locked up, is this the toughest that you have handled in life so far, or have you? I mean, I won't want you to kind of specify anything on that. That might be something personal, but is it the hardest thing that you have ever faced in your life till now?
No, no, not really. The hardest was when I shifted from Calcutta.
Ah,
That was the hardest for me.
yeah,
So that was the hardest for me. But yeah, and I really think I tell everybody I really think that your character shines in tough times. So if you're going to cry about it and crib about it
yeah,
and say अरे बाप रे इतना tough है इतना ये है तो मतलब आपकी character weak है
yeah.
फिर. आपकी जिंदगी में उतार चढ़ाव तो आते रहेंगे आप कैसे उसे रिएक्ट करते हो आप या तो सीखना चाहते हो उससे लाइक आफ्टर एवरी स्टॉर्म यू कम आउट मोर स्ट्रोंगर
Yeah.
राइट सो you have to if there are no storms which means you're not getting stronger.
Absolutely. There's this कहावत that बच्चन सर की केबीसी के डायलॉग प्रोमोज में काफी आ रहा है कि if you are having a setback, make a nice comeback. So I think that's exactly what you're talking about.
Ah,
And I wish you all the best for everything that you do in the future. I wish you all the best for Hostages 2. I'm looking forward to that. And Mirzapur 2 as well. A lot of things coming up in the future. I'm pretty sure we'll be having some nice, if not virtual, at least some real interactions as well. Once the thing gets over and everything
hopefully.
is fine. Till then, take care. Take care of your family. Stay safe, and wish you all the best. Thank you so much.